ghost up there?
Uh-huh.
Well, go turn the light on him.
I am going to do it.
Okay, I'll come see. Yeah, you bring the him down here.
Hi.
You bring the ghost down here. Okay?
And you stall him up, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll saw him up. You go get him. Oh, Jesse.
I'm sorry.
Well, tell Jason, not me. What do you got there, Jace? Huh?
Why are they going to my room?
You're gonna get a ghost and bring him down.
What? Where did they get that? I should like to know where that started. Your t-shirt's at.
Okay.